Okay, so do dogs like chicken jerky? So here we have the chicken jerky, and here we have my dogs. Oh, easy. I give this to them all the time, so they're very familiar with the way that it looks. Is this something you want? Is it yummy? You're being good, aren't you? Okay, easy. Now my dog really has a tendency to get very excited over these, and he has a tendency to bite me. So I have to be very careful when I give it to him. Easy, 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 easy. Don't drop it. Somebody else will take it. Now look at this one over here, being very good and patient. He's a little more well behaved. Now, when I try to give this one to Sam, Ginger will try to steal it. So I have to do my best to keep him out of the way. Oh, easy, Hugo. All right, boys. Is that a good treat? Huh? Is that a good treat? Huh? Who likes chicken jerky? Huh? Who likes chicken jerky? Ginger, don't try to steal Sam's, okay? Now, this is a treat not only for dogs, but for cats as well. They really like it. I know this video is not going to be great quality, but for cats, you do have to tear it up a little bit more, and that's kind of hard for me to do right now with just one hand. I'm going to set the phone down. Hold on. Okay, and now I've got a couple treats for each one. They're both getting very excited over it. Oh, they don't like each other, so maybe I put the treats a little too close to each other. That's okay. Purple will steal them both. Uh-oh.